friends, welcome you all to ThinkMaths. We are in class 10 Maths, chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. In this session, we are going to discuss about exercise 8.1, question number 1 to 5. So first question, in triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is equal to 24 centimeter, BC equal to 7 centimeter. Determine sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C. Now we have to find out the values of sine and cos for two different angles. Now let us first take the angle A. So what are all given? This triangle is at 90 degrees. So this is right angle triangle, right angled at B. Next one is AB is equal to 24 centimeter, BC is equal to 7 centimeter. So these are the things given. We have to find out AC. So let me start the solution. So what are all given? AB is equal to 24 centimeter, BC equal to 7 centimeter. So we are going to use the Pythagoras theorem, PGT. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square. So which is hypotenuse? The side opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. We took first angle A. So who is the opposite side? BC. So BC is the opposite for angle A. Now the remaining side is adjacent. So we have marked the adjacent opposite hypotenuse. So now what is Pythagoras theorem? It is nothing but hypotenuse square. So who is hypotenuse? AC. AC square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So opposite side and adjacent side. So it is AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So this is Pythagoras theorem. Now what is AB square? AB is 24 square. What is BC square? It is 7 square. So 7 square we know it is 49. What is 24 square? You can multiply and find out, or there is some trick. So we have to find out 24 square. The number 20 is the nearest to 10. To get that number, we have to subtract 4. So what is the opposite to this? It is add 4. Now we have to subtract the number 24 from 4. So 24 minus 4 is 20. Another number is 24 plus 4, 28. So multiply these two numbers, we will get 0, 8 2s are 16. Balance 1, 2 2s are 4, 5, 60. With this, we have to add square of 4. So, which number we used? We used 4 to get 10. So, we have to square this number. So, 4 square is 60. So, now the answer is 576. So, 24 square is 576. So, its addition is 576 plus 49 is 625. Now to get AC, we have to take square root. So if we take square root, power 2 gets cancelled. So AC will be square root of 625. So 625 is nothing but 25 into 25. So if inside the square root, the number is in pair, so the answer is that number. So the answer is 25. So AC is equal to 25. So we got AC as 25. Now we got all the sides. Now our work is to find sin A, cos A. So for the first part, sin A. So what is sin A? We know some old hippie got another hippie tripping on acid. So take the first letter of each word, S-O-H. So sin is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. So who is the opposite side for A, angle A? It is BC. So BC is the opposite side. Who is the hypotenuse? AC. So BC by AC. What is the value of BC? BC equal to 7. AC is 25 centimeter. So it is 7 by 25. So for the second one, it is cos A. So not second part. For the first part, we have to find out cos A. So what is cos A? So C is here. C stands for cos equal to A by H. So A by H means adjacent by hypotenuse. So which is the adjacent side? Adjacent side is AB. So AB by hypotenuse side is AC. So AB is equal to 24, AC is equal to 25. So we got sin A and cos A. So second part, we have to find out sin C. So let me take this triangle. So we have to find out sin C. So opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. This is the AB is the opposite to angle C. So this is the opposite side and this is adjacent side. So what is the value of AB? AB is 24. AC, it is 25. BC, it is 7. Now let me find out the values. So sin C. So sin is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite side is AB. AB by hypotenuse is AC. So opposite side is 24. AC is 25. So it is 24 by 25. Next one is we have to find out cos C. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is BC. So BC by hypotenuse is AC. So the value of BC is 7 and AC is 25. So we got all the values. So these are the solutions for the problem 1. So problem 1 is completed. Moving on to the next problem. In figure, find tan P minus cot R. Here also two angles are needed. So I took two triangles. Okay. So in the same triangle, angle P is given and angle R is given. So to differentiate the marking of opposite and adjacent side, I took these two triangles. So I took angle Q as 90 degree. So this means opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. So opposite to this angle P is QR. So this is the opposite side and this is adjacent. So if we take angle R, opposite to this R is PQ. So this is opposite to 90 degree, it is PR. So this is hypotenuse side and this is adjacent side. Okay children. So now we have to find out tan P minus cot R. Here PQ is equal to, it is given, PQ is equal to 12 centimeter and PR equal to 13 centimeter. So in the question, in the figure, it is given that PQ is equal to 12 and PR is equal to 30. So in the same way, by using Pythagoras, we have to find out QR. Okay children? So these values are given in the question. 12 and 13 are written in the diagram. Okay children? Now let us start the solution. What are the things given? PQ is equal to 12 centimeter. PR equal to 13 centimeter. Now we have to find out QR. So we are going to use Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? It is nothing but hypotenuse square. So who is hypotenuse here? PR square. So PR square equal to sum of remaining two squares. So it is sum of PQ square plus QR square. So PQ square plus QR square. So what is PR? It is 13 square. PQ, it is 12 square plus QR square. What is 13 square? 169. 12 square is 144 plus QR square. 169, this plus 144 will become minus 144 equal to QR square. 169 minus 144 is 25. 25 equal to QR square. So we can write QR square equal to 25. So if we take square root on both sides, this power 2 gets cancelled. So QR will be equal to square root of 25. So square root of 25 is nothing but 5 into 5. So inside the root, number 5 is in pair. So if it is in pair, the number is that answer. So 5 is the answer for QR. So QR equal to 5. So we got PQ is equal to 12, PR equal to 13 and QR equal to 5. Now we have to find out tan P and cot R. What is tan P? So here T stands for tan. Okay. So tan equal to opposite. On acid, so O opposite by A is adjacent. So opposite by adjacent side. So who is the opposite side here? So opposite side is QR. So QR by adjacent side is PQ. QR value is 5. What is the value of PQ? It is 12. So tan P is equal to 5 by 12. Next we have to find out cot R. So I have marked the R here. So opposite side is PQ. So PQ divided by, I'm sorry, for cot R it is not opposite by adjacent. So cot is nothing but inverse of tan. So tan ratio is opposite by adjacent. So cot ratio is adjacent by opposite. So which is the adjacent side here? QR. QR by opposite side is PQ. So what is the value of QR? QR is 5. PQ is 12. Now we have to find out tan P minus cot R. So what is tan P? Tan P is 5 by 12 minus cot R is also 5 by 12. So 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12 is 0. So we get tan P minus cot R is equal to 0. So this is the solution for the second question. Okay children, I hope you can understand. So moving on to the next question. Third one, if sine is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. So we took the right angle triangle ABC. Angle B is 90 degree. So angle A is given. So cos A tan A. So angle A is given. So opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. So this is the opposite side for angle A and this is the adjacent side. So now what is given? Let us start the solution. It is given that sine A equal to 3 by 4. So what is the relationship for sine? That is, what is the ratio for sine? So S is equal to O by H. Okay children? S equal to O by H. That is opposite by hypotenuse. So sine A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So which is the opposite side? BC. So BC by adjacent side is AB. BC by AB, it is given as 3 by 4. So after simplification, we will get 3 by 4 ratio. So BC will be 3K and AB will be 4K. So let us assume that let BC is equal to 3K, AB is equal to 4K and this K is a positive integer. Okay children. So why we assumed 3K and 4K? So this ratio may be after simplification. So there will be a common divisor. So if we divide by the common divisor, we will get 3 by 4. Let that common divisor be K. So BC will be 3K and AB will be 4K. So we got BC and AB. So BC is 3K and AB is 4K. Now we have to find out AC. So this is by using Pythagoras theorem. So what is that? Hypotenuse square equal to AB square plus BC square. What is AB square? AB square is 4K whole square. BC is 3K. 3K whole square. So it is 4 square is 16 K square. 3 square is 9 K square. 16 plus 9 is 25 K square. So if we take square root on both sides, this power 2 gets cancelled. So AC will be equal to square root of 25 K square. So what is 25? It is 5 into 5. K square can be written as K into K. So 5 is in pair inside the square root. So it will be 5. So K is in pair inside the square root. So the answer will be K. So AC is equal to 5K. So we got BC, AB and AC. Now we have to find out cos A. What is cos A? C. So if we take C, C is equal to A by H. That is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. So which is the adjacent side? AB. AB is the adjacent side. Hypotenuse side is AC. What is AB? AB is equal to 4K. 4K. AC is equal to 5K. So this K gets cancelled. So answer will be 4 by 5. So cos A is equal to 4 by 5. Next we have to find out tan A. What is tan? Is tripping on acid. So T stands for tan. So tan A is equal to O. O by A. That is opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. So who is opposite here? BC. Adjacent side is AB. What is BC? BC is equal to 3K. AB is equal to 4K. So K gets cancelled. So the answer will be 3 by 4. So tan A is equal to 3 by 4. Cos A is equal to 4 by 5. So simple is it? Yeah. So moving on to the next question. Fourth problem, given 15 cot A equal to 8. Find sin A and secant A. So this is same as the previous problem. Here it is about angle A. So angle A is given opposite to 90 degree. Hypotenuse. Who is the opposite side? For angle A, it is BC. So BC is opposite and the remaining is adjacent. Now we have to find out the values. So let us start the solution. What is given? 15 cot A equal to 8. So cot A will be equal to 8 by 15. We know that some old hippie caught another hippie tripping on acid. So we know the relationship for sine, cos and tan. What is cot? Cot is nothing but inverse of tan. So tan is nothing but T is equal to O by A. On acid, so it is O by A. That is opposite by adjacent. So cot will be inverse of A. So inverse means A by O. Adjacent by opposite side. So which is the adjacent side? AB. Which is the opposite side? BC. So it is given that 8 by 15. So we got 8 by 15 after some simplification. So there will be a common divisor for this. So if we divide by the common divisor, we will get 8 by 15. So let that common divisor be K. Then AB will be of the form 8K and BC will be of the form 15K. So this K is a positive integer. Now we got AB which is 8K and BC which is 15K. Now we need AC. As usual, we will use Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? PGT. It is nothing but hypotenuse square. So hypotenuse is AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square is 8K whole square. BC square is 15K whole square. 8 square is 8 8s are 64 K square. 15 square is 225 K square. So I think you all know how to square the number ending with 5. So if you don't know, just listen. 15 square. So if the number ends with 5, just write it as 25. Last two digits will be 25 first number. So what is its first number? It is 1. Next number is 2. So multiply 1 with the next number. So 1 into 2, 2. So it is 225. So if we add 64 plus 225, it is 289 K square. So who is the square of 289? It is 17 square. So 17 square K square. This means 17 K whole square. We got AC square equal to 17K whole square. So if you take square root on both sides, this power 2 gets cancelled. So AC will be equal to 17K. So we got AC as 17k. Now our work is to find sine A and secant A. So what is sine A? Here yes. So yes is nothing but O and H. That is O by H. S is equal to O by H. So opposite by hypotenuse. So who is the opposite side? BC. Hypotenuse side is AC. So what is the value of BC? BC is 15k. AC is 17k. So k gets cancelled. So answer is 15 by 70. So sine A is equal to 15 by 70. Next we have to find out secant A. So secant A is nothing but inverse of cos. What is cos? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So its inverse is hypotenuse by adjacent. So secant A is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. So hypotenuse side is AC, adjacent side is AB. So AC is equal to 17k, AB is equal to 8k. So k gets cancelled. So answer is 17 by 8 for secant A. So this is the solution for problem number 4. So problem number 4 completed. So moving on to the fifth problem, that is the last problem for this session. Given secant theta equal to 13 by 12, calculate all other trigonometric ratios. So here the angle is theta. So let me take this angle A as theta. Okay, children, you can take any angles, angle C or angle A. So I took angle A as theta. So opposite of 90 degree is hypotenuse. BC is opposite of theta. So this is opposite side. The other side is adjacent side. So let us start the solution. What is given? Secant theta equal to 13 by 12. So who is the inverse of secant theta? Cos. Cos is the inverse of secant theta. What is cos theta? A by H. So secant theta will be H by A. Okay, children? So secant theta is nothing but H by A. So which is the hypotenuse side? AC. Which is the adjacent side? AB. So it is given that 13 by 12. So in the same way, they have a common divisor. After simplification, we will get 13 by 12. So let that common divisor be K. So then AC will be of the form 13K and AB will be of the form 12K. So here K is positive. K greater than 0. Now we have to find out AB. So AC is given 13K, who is given AB is also given. So AB is 12K. We have to find out BC. So what is Pythagoras theorem states? It is nothing but hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. So AB square plus BC square. What are the things given? AC is given. So it is 13K whole square equal to AB is 12K whole square plus BC square. This 13 square, you all know it is 169. K square is K square. 12 square is 144. K square plus BC square. 169 K square. Bringing this 144 K square to the other side. So 144 K square equal to BC square. 169 minus 144 is 25 K square equal to BC square. So we can write 25 as 5 square K square equal to BC square. So 5K whole square equal to BC square. So if you take square root on both sides, we will get BC equal to 5K. So both the power 2 gets cancelled if we take square root. So BC will be equal to 5K. So BC is 5K. So we got all the values. Now we have to find all other trigonometric ratios. So only secant theta is given. First one we have to find out sin theta. So what is sin theta? Sine is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Who is the opposite side? BC. So BC by hypotenuse is AC. So what is BC? 5K. AC is 13K. So K gets cancelled. So 5 by 13. So sine theta is equal to 5 by 13. Next we have to find out cos theta. What is cos theta? So C is A by H, adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. So who is the adjacent side? AB. Hypotenuse side is AC. AB value is 12K. AC value is 13K. So K gets cancelled. So it is 12 by 13. So you can use the ratio relationship A by H, or from secant theta you can find out. So secant and cos are inverse to each other. So cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta. So 13 by 12 will become 12 by 30. Okay children. Next we have to find out tan theta. So what is tan here? T. T stands for O by H. Opposite by adjacent. So opposite side is BC. Adjacent side is AB. BC value is 5K. AB value is 12K. K gets cancelled. So 5 by 12. So if you have found out sine, cos, tan, then cosecant, secant, cot is just simple. What is cosecant? It is nothing but inverse of sine. So sine theta is 5 by 13. So its inverse is 13 by 5. So secant theta, it is given in the problem. Next we have to find out cot theta. So cot theta is nothing but inverse of tan theta. So what is tan theta? 5 by 12. So the answer is inverse 12 by 5. Okay children. So we found out all the other trigonometric ratios. So this is for this session. I hope you can understand all the problems. If you have any doubts, you can comment. So if you like the video, just share, like and subscribe. Okay children. Thank you.